Hi everyone, welcome to the Israel edition. Israel is a country with only 30% arable land, a total rainfall period of 55 days in a year with a population of 9.6 million people, but produces food for 80 million people. It's highly mechanized in agriculture. We visited various educational, eye-opening, interesting and mind-blowing institutions. And what would Israel and Palestine be without religious and historical sites? Join us as we show you the gems, learning points, and enjoyable moments of our tour. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more.
My name is Nikabai from ESHET EILON. ESHET EILON Industries is a company based in Israel that makes machines for sorting and grading of fresh fruits and dates. At ESHET, we are supporting like 25 companies currently in Kenya out of the 28 packing houses, making us the leading pack house machine supplier currently in Africa, because we have a couple of countries that are under us. We have technical support teams based in Kenya and across the globe. In Kenya, you can find us at Kandia Pack House. That's the pack house that we currently are partnering with in the whole of the African market. Most of the questions have been about where do we get our machines and all that. You can go to www.eshet.co.il, place a request for a machine, but what people need to understand is this machine is tailor-made for you. It is not an off-the-shelf type of the machine. So any request you have, from production of 1 ton per hour to a production of 20 tons per hour, just place a request and we tailor-make this machine for you so that it can meet individual customer needs. So how has this trip been helpful? The trip has been helpful because most of the people who have come to ESHET based on this trip have actually put face to metal of what happens at ESHET and the whole production line, and how it's been useful for the team to see what normally happens in production, the amount of technology and research that goes into bringing up a machine from an idea to what people see in every pack house. And we encourage more people to partner with the Agro Innovation Hub and ESHET EILON to support you guys in coming to Israel and visiting and seeing a couple of technologies that are actually come and originate from Israel through ESHET EILON, and with the support of the Volcano Institute and the Ministry of Agriculture in Israel, we've been able to develop more technologies that help currently tea farmers to sanitize their tea, and mango farmers who are supposed to be like shipping their mango to Europe. We have come up with the technology to sort out the fruit fly, and together with the Ministry of Agriculture in Kenya, we are looking at setting up some of the pack houses that will be model pack houses to ship mangoes, to help farmers ship mangoes to Europe, hence fetching more value for their product. Thank you so much and welcome to Israel.
We met a Kenyan who works at ESHET. ESHET is, as he explained, it's an Israeli company, one of the best, in fact, the best in the world. Nick, kindly just take me through, because I was so intrigued by your avocado machine, what it does, specifically what it does, because as Manashe, the founder CEO, was saying that the avocado is sorted in a specific way. Kindly just take us through the avocado, because which company in Kenya has bought your machine? One of your latest machines.
Well, I'll list a couple of companies in Kenya that have our machines. We have Kandia, we have Kate, we have AAA, we have Sassini, we have Kenya Fresh, we have Mofam, we have Benta Fresh, we have Pro Fresh, we have Veg Pro, we have Siginam, we have the fresh products, we have Avo Veg, we have Riziki, we have Nice, and a couple of other companies. I mean, it will take time to list almost 30 companies that have our machines, because some of these companies like Sunripe and the rest have more than one machine from ESHET. And we have companies in Tanzania too, and companies in setting up companies in Rwanda. So you asked about the avocado sorting. What happens is this starts from the washing of the avocados to the waxing of the avocado, the drying of the avocado, and then it gets to the sorting and grading of the avocado. So what happens is every avocado that passes through a machine is weighed to the last gram. And because standard practice is avocados are sold in 4-kilo boxes. So depending on the program you set on the machine, it will automatically fit to 4 kilos, depending on the size of the fruit.
Okay, my other question, interesting. My other question is, from your machinery, do you know the oil content of an avocado if it is ripe?
Machines that actually gauge the dry matter content of every avocado that passes through the machine. Yes, and depending on the customer needs, at times we place it as an add-on on the machine.
He told us about the egg sorting machine. You can imagine how delicate an egg is, yeah? Kindly take us through the egg sorting machine. What it does, because I was hearing it has an AI, it can detect whether it's male or female, a hen or a cock. So kindly tell us what.
So there are two types of machine based on the statement that you say. There's one that will actually be able to detect from the egg if it is a male or female.
Yes.
And then there's one that actually helps to remove salmonella from the egg, because most of the time people get salmonella from eggs. So this machine is used to sanitize the egg from salmonella. As you can recall, we've had a couple of companies who have had their products recalled from supermarkets because of salmonella. So this machine helps in sanitizing that, and will not be able to have salmonella in the eggs.
I also saw a very interesting machine. We're just now discussing about machines. The one that they're almost launching. Just take us through the robotic machine.
So the robotic machine is technically any other machine, only that now you replace the human hand with the robots. So the robots come and are programmed to be the human being, because most countries have expensive labor. So in countries where labor is very expensive, we tend to replace the human being with robots. So it's the robotics that actually work in place of the human being. And they are as accurate and as a human being.
In fact, they are more than human beings, because I could see, because it was interesting when they took, I could see what was going on and how they're picking and how they're sizing, and these are corn, this is maize. So it's totally amazing, and everything. Just take us through the lifespan of your machinery.
The lifespan of our machinery is technically the lifetime of a human being, because these machines are made of stainless steel. Yes, and like Kenya, the oldest machine we have was bought in the year 1975, and it is still operating as new. So that shows you the lifespan of our machine, because they don't corrode, because this is stainless steel.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Nick. It was nice talking to you. We've been with Nick for the last, is it 6 days? We've gone through the Israel. In fact, now we're in Palestine and we're almost leaving, but him is remaining because he needs to go back to the office. And see you in the next one. Thank you so much.